Nest Pretty. Welcome to Wardrobe Wednesday. Wardrobe Wednesday is a time when I set aside to bring my wardrobe back to start. I love to do this in the middle of the week because then I'm set up for success for the weekend. So I don't know if you're like me, but during a busy week, I start stashing and dashing. I do laundry and the closet can get a little messy. And so on Wednesdays, I like to just bring it back to start. And because I have done this work on a consistent basis, because I have simplified my wardrobe so much, it doesn't take any time. If you have not read the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide, you can grab it on Amazon. It's all about making small choices every day that adds up to a beautiful life. So welcome to Wardrobe Wednesday. It consists of moving empty hangers and then just hanging up and organizing my closet. So I do have some laundry here that I need to put away. The moo-moo to put away as well. Here's the thing. If you want to get dressed with ease, with confidence, and with clarity, all you need to do is make decisions. It's all about making the decision once. And then when you go to get dressed in the morning, it is easy because you've already made the decisions. So I don't know if you can tell, but I have a capsule wardrobe going on here in my wardrobe. Can you guess what my two foundational neutrals are? Leave a comment below. I have also chosen an accent color. Can you tell what it is? Leave a comment below. Clearly those jeans need to be ironed. So I did make a decision a couple of weeks ago that now that we have moved into summer here in Florida, that I need to stop wearing black. So I'm going to pull out, I have 3 black items that I'm going to pull out, put in another closet until it is appropriate to wear black again. So that decision that I made a couple of weeks ago, it's just going to make my dressing process a little easier because those 3 items plus the 2 pairs of pants are not going to be there for my brain to say, oh, do I want to wear that? Oh. They won't even be there. So it's just going to simplify the process of getting dressed. These are navy, by the way. So part of bringing it back to start is, I just organize my clothes so that they're all together. I have my 2 foundational neutrals. I have my accent. I will remove any extra hangers. I also kind of think, how can I make this closet situation better? I'm always thinking about that. So one thing I recently purchased is a stackable jewelry box from my favorite store, the Container Store. So that's coming. It's going to sit here and it's going to enable me to get to a few items that I don't often get to because I've had them kind of just stuffed away. So like rings, I haven't been using my rings, and so with this jewelry box sitting here, hopefully it will push me to wear my rings more. Another thing, there's another thing. What was it? What was the other thing? There was another thing I was going to share. Oh, I know. This works. If you're trying to remember something, do this. Get your brain working. So I have a couple of things here. Like this is a belt holder that's taking up probably 2 inches in my closet. I haven't been wearing tons of belts. So you know what I'm gonna do? This is how you hone your wardrobe. I'm gonna bring it forward to make me make some decisions. Either start wearing belts, store them in a different spot where they don't take up so much space, get rid of ones that I have not used. Having it front and center will make me do that. So there's 3 questions I use on a daily basis when I get dressed, when I look into my wardrobe in the morning. Number 1, have I worn it recently, seasonally, in the last year? If I have not, then why? Number 2, does it fit today? And number 3, do I love it? So I will use those 3 questions when it comes to these belts, and hopefully that will help me to hone my wardrobe even further. The other thing is I have this. This was a wedding gift, if you can believe it. It's 30 years old, and it's actually kind of brilliant. It holds nylons, tights, socks. And you can put I put essential oils in here, and it's a little heart that has holes in it, so you know fragrance can go from there. I do not wear nylons anymore. I live in Florida, for heaven's sake. So, what am I going to do with this fantastic wedding gift that was given to me 30 years ago? I'm going to make a decision on that. Here's one more thing that both my husband and I have been discussing is the heavy robe. That takes up at least 3 inches. And again, I live in Florida. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. This is how you hone your wardrobe. You ask questions. You keep checking in. You make decisions once. And then when you go into your closet and you have all of this space and everything is clean and organized, it feels amazing. You can get dressed with ease, confidence, and clarity. So stay tuned as I come back and make decisions on those 3 items that are taking up a little too much space in my closet. I don't know if you know this. I'm a closet coach. And what that means is I work with my clients one-on-one. We have conversations. As a life coach, I ask you what your goals are. And you have time dedicated to think about it, to ask yourself, wouldn't it be nice if? And after we do that for several sessions, I come to your closet, we work together, we go through the pieces one by one. You're left with a closet that you feel confident about. You get dressed with ease. You know exactly what you need from the store. You have an honest evaluation of what you have. It's so much fun. Yeah, link in bio. It's all my information. I hope you have a fantastic day.